Let's understand the mode in which consent should be taken while collecting data by any organization.
Taking consent is an integral part of DPDP law. So whenever the data is collected by data fiduciary, then a proper consent from data principal is to be taken. Same is the case in other law like European GDPR law. But then there is a difference in the way the consent is designed under the law. The European GDPR law says that the consent can be in opt-out mode, while India's DPDP law says that consent has to be in opt-in mode. These are two different but quite interesting words. What is opt-in and what is opt-out? So in India, when DPDP law says that the consent has to be opt-in mode, it means that the notification which is given to the data principal says that these are the terms and conditions, whether you agree to it or not, and then the checkbox has to be clicked by the data principal to ascertain that he is giving his consent, and then he should click on OK. So an action is required from the data principal to give his consent. However, in Europe it's opt-out, which means that by default in the notification the checkbox is already clicked, and he, if in case do not want to give his consent, has to remove the tick from the checkbox. That is called opt-out. So in India we have opt-in, while in Europe under GDPR we have opt-out. That's a small but very important difference between two laws.